MetaTrader5 winning forex trading strategy. This strategy is meant for MetaTrader5 and not MetaTrader4. You cannot use this on MT4 platform. This can be used on derived platform. Welcome to Profiting Forex Trading Strategy. If today is the first time of coming across my YouTube channel, kindly make sure you subscribe and do give me a thumb up. I have combined few indicators together to come up with this winning strategy for MetaTrader5. I know a lot of people have been asking me to make video for MetaTrader5 strategy, and here is MetaTrader5 strategy. Make sure you follow me closely as I explain how to use this profitably. Now, this is a simple strategy. I've combined few indicators together to come up with this particular winning strategy, but make sure you trade on a regulated forex brokers. It is important that you do that. In my video description, I did drop some links to some of these regulated forex brokers. Make sure you check it out. This analysis will be done on the volatility index, and this is volatility 75 VIX75 index, and this can be used on any volatility at all, either volatility 75, volatility 100, step index. You can use this particular strategy on derived platform. You can use this on gold. It can be used on the any forex pairs. It can be used on indices, as many as you have on MetaTrader5. This is a good strategy. Now let me show you how to use this particular strategy profitably on MetaTrader5. Now I have this PTI indicator. We have the MT4 fashion. This is MT5 fashion, and this is EMA indicator. We did have MT4 fashion. If you follow me closely, you will have seen me using the MT4 fashion, and this is the same EMA indicator but with different setting. I have the moving averages, and here is MACD here. So this is all the indicators I have combined together. Now, how do I use this profitably on the regulated forex brokers? Number one thing you have to look out for, you have to look for this EMA indicator to change. This is to yellow if you want to sell, and the second EMA indicator must change to red for a sell, and the PTI indicator must be present, followed by MACD indicator for confirmation, and this is a good strategy. As we've seen at this particular point, we have these indicators in agreement at this particular point. So this is a good setup for us to actually take a sell on this particular volatility 75 index, and this did delivered. And for a buy, all the indicators must be in agreement, and we have all the indicators at this particular point. This did not deliver well. I will tell you why I did put these moving averages. When you check this, you find that it's still below moving average 200, and this is moving average 50, and this did not go far. But if you do not want to have any drawdown in your account, I will encourage you to check higher time frame first, and only scalp in the direction of higher time frame on lower time frame. Now let's check M15. On M15 we did have a buy signal from this particular point, and it did cross MA200 at this particular point. So when you go back to 1 minute time frame, we will only trade in the direction of this particular trend, since we know on M15 that the signal is down. So the only thing we will do on lower time frame is to scalp in the direction of the higher time frame, and this is what we are going to do on this lower time frame. If we check all the signal generated on the lower time frame, the sell signal did deliver and gave us good profit. You can see all the signal generated in the direction of higher time frame did deliver. So this is how to use this particular strategy on MetaTrader5. You can check my video description. I did drop some links to some of the best regulated forex brokers. Make sure you check them out and open an account with any of the forex broker on MT5. Try this particular strategy on MetaTrader5 on any of the regulated forex brokers that you've opened a demo account with. When you are consistent making money with this particular strategy, then you can go ahead to fund your account with your hard-earned money, but make sure you follow money management. So this is how to use this particular strategy. It is simple and you can use it on any pairs you want to trade. As I said, it can be used on any forex pairs like Euro USD or Great Britain Pounds USD. It can be used on cryptos, as many as you have on your MetaTrader5. Now let me show you the setting for all the indicators I use for this particular strategy. I use a PTL indicator and this is my setting, and the other indicator I use is EMA Reborn Plus, and we have the value. The period is 20, fast speed is 2.5 and the slow speed is 1.0. Price applied to close. And the second EMA Reborn I use is 13. Fast speed is 2.5. Every other thing remain the same. And this is the color that I use for this particular EMA. Then I have the moving average 50. Method is exponential, then apply to close, shift is 0. And the second moving average I did have is 200. Method is exponential, apply to close, and shift is 0. I did use this black color, and the candle color I have here is I did use Ikinashi indicator, black and red. Black is for buy and red is for sell, and I have MACD trend volume indicator. So these are the values for MACD. This default setting. If you like, you can play with these values, but this is what I'm using for this particular analysis. Make sure you set it up accordingly. I did drop my template also. Make sure you check the video description to download all the indicators I use for this particular strategy and my template. If you are yet to subscribe to my YouTube channel, kindly make sure you subscribe and do not forget to give me a thumb up. Make sure you trade on regulated forex brokers. As I said, do check my video description. In my video description, I did drop some links to some of the best regulated forex brokers. Make sure you check them out and open a demo account to try this particular strategy before you go live. Till I come your way again, I remain your fellow forex trader, Joe, and bye for now.